Is he full time this season?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Caution.
Oh, and we have a caution.
Don't it. $500. It's Kraus again.
Oh. Jesus
Wait.
fucking Christ!
Is it Kraus?
Yeah,
Yes!
it was.
What?
God,
What did you
And the
What
40.
did you do?
He wrecked.
I think he cut another tire.
Is it junk? Is it junk this time?
No.
It's
I don't
damaged pretty heavily, but it's not like destroyed.
That's the 4th time.
Oh my God, Kraus! No way!
Why is
How
the
do
number
you-
crooked? The roof number's
Oh.
crooked.
Oh yeah, it is. Let's see. Did he cut another tire?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow!
That thing just hooked it. Oh, Ryan Truex just spun.
If he didn't
I
hit
think
the
he got
suspension,
hit.
that thing's fine.
I got the outside wall though.
He backed into the wall.
Yeah,
quite hard.
if he didn't hit the suspension off the wall, he might be fine.
Yeah.
So where'd the 40 end up in this then?
He probably
He
got,
got
hit
spun.
while slowing down.
Yeah, he got spun. He's
there
he's
he
right
is.
there. Yeah, he got spun by
One of those
Holy
Jason
cars.
White.
Jason White.
It was Jason White.
Yeah,
Can-
KBM.
Holy Can we
last year they made that change so late, and they had to make so many goddamn trucks and cars
Yeah.
that it's really hard to judge them off.
Jesus! Oh, the wreckage.
Oh,
Anderson.
Oh,
Good.
Good.
Stealth. Go Stealth, you better get your
fuck him. But
He's probably high.
Oh, I understand.
Hey, he's
Oh,
fine.
he's all right.
Sure.
And the right front's just completely missing.
probably is.
Good.
Good.
That's a Greg.
Todd.
That is a Greg. It's the most
Okay,
Greg I've
what
ever
the
heard.
hell?
George.
Oh,
Somebody
big
got out of
checkup.
line.
Oh.
Can we all agree that Craig Biffle's
Friesen
name
dumped the
Greg
shit
is
out
to
of
be
Seth.
Chad?
Ooh,
Oh, look at
Oh,
Anderson!
How did he not
Did
hit
he?
the wall?
Wow.
Is there a closer view? No way did he hit that.
No way.
He didn't touch
Ander-
it. Wow.
Anderson's
Did he
done
not?
that before
No
too.
way.
He did. No, he didn't hit anything.
Did he like
He
hit
sliding out
reverse
of
and...
Yeah, he did it like a Roblox car where he just started hitting the S key really fast.
Oh, this is gonna be terrible.
28.
Oh my God.
Oh, Antonio's unmuted.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, wow. That was.
Oh, I got turned.
Oh no! No!
Save it. Good.
Saved it!
Oh
Oh, shit! What? What?
They're still spinning.
Me when race car.
Holy
He's
shit!
still on the gas.
Throttle it! Yeah!
He just did the Ryan. He just did the Ryan pace. And
Why
Talladega
in
one
the
year.
ever
Yeah.
fuck did the 28 stay out? Yeah.
Jesus, Ankrum. Good lord. Ankrum, Ankrum almost got. Oh, it was Todd Gilliland. That explains it.
I
Okay.
just shuffled the 28 out and then just no.
Oh, where's that video?
Did Todd?
Poor Dozat.
Oh no, he just.
Oh no, Todd got him right here.
Oh,
yeah,
Todd,
of
wow.
course. Yep, I am
That,
so
that
shocked.
doesn't even really look like it was Todd though. It just seemed like a really shitty
That was a
situation.
nice save though, but
Yeah.
then this fucking shit.
You know, if Ankrum didn't have it, oh, shout out to Creed for saving that.
Yeah.
And then Jason White just stays in the throttle.
Whiskey throttle.
But if Ankrum didn't like slide up the track, he would have gotten clocked by Creed.
Yeah, that was definitely Gilliland, by the way.
Well, like, I
So
don't know.
who's it, what the hell happened back
Gilliland
here
had
then?
a whole bunch of people behind him, so he couldn't really lift.
Whoa!
Holy
Oh man,
shit.
who's that? Who's that?
Who's
Who the
that?
hell is that? That
Who's-
orange truck.
Mayor.
Oh, that might be Zane Smith, I think.
Or yeah, Smith. Why did I say Mayor? Yeah, Smith.
Is that Chandler Smith?
Oh!
Oh, it is
boy.
the 18.
They're gonna wreck.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
here we
smart.
go.
Oh, boy.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
this is gonna
Yep,
go.
you're down.
There they go.
Oh, there we go.
God
He
damn
jumped
it.
him.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fuck.
freezing
Nice
again.
camera.
Incredible.
Shit.
Nice camera.
Todd Gilliland did it.
Oh,
Oh, no.
yeah.
Anyway.
Oh
They're
my
kissing.
God.
Well, and
Look at
the
Friesen.
Start
His
freezing
car
right
is, his car is grooving.
He was
And,
twerking there for a little bit.
so all that was lost was Friesen, Gilliland, and Fogelman.
I think
Yeah.
that's it.
Oh, not
Nothing of
What a-
value. Okay.
Stupid fucking wreck.
Rip Huff, but I'm built different.
Man.
I would simply not huff.
Yeah,
what
this
was
is
Todd doing there?
I don't
Wrecking
really
himself.
know.
He just did it.
He just and then Chandler just
He
That's
panicked.
That's
and then
Yeah, Chandler freaked the fuck out.
Crafton just went up and
Oh,
down.
Crafton just got tired of
No,
this shit.
base
Wow.
crafted.
He
The
got
51
loose.
is
Oh,
the 51's dollar, not Chandler.
If you watch
Oh, no,
Crafton
Zane-
gets loose because John Hunter's hanging on his quarter panel, he twitches a little before he gets into the
Who's
38.
in the 45?
Moffat.
Moffat,
Moffat, yeah.
He got a bit of damage there. He got the wall.
good.
Oh.
Wow.
Zane Smith got into someone too.
That wreck
Right
should've
here,
been
you're
a
gonna
lot
see
bigger.
the 88 get the air taken off the spoiler.
Oh, he got tapped.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, you're.
he got tapped when John Hunter went down.
The 21 hit somebody down here.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there it is.
That's fine.
That's
that's
fine. Yeah,
Lassard.
Lassard, yeah, it's a little bit of
Still
contact,
set.
that'll be fine.
Hey, the 28 didn't plow into it.
He was on fire.
Yeah.
First.
He thought sparking and he thought about it, but it never ignited. So he
Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk the tire marks.
Oh my god. Angie.
Me beating my meat.
not
Friesen,
not
don't kill your
not-
hand.
Malding
Not
today,
gonna
aren't
lie.
we?
So probably about an hour from now.
Probably.
is he-
Holy shit!
I thought he was blowing up.
yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, I
Caution,
don't like
caution.
all the caution.
Oh, caution.
Deegan!
Get a
Oh,
capacity.
whoa!
Yeah, she's fine. That'll be fine.
Ah,
she
it might have
did.
hit. That
She
shit
didn't
hit
that
the
that
splitter.
hard.
It'll be fine.
Oh yeah.
She just
splitter.
flattened the nose. Better push.
The splitter might be fucked.
Oh.
Oh yeah,
never mind,
That's
yeah.
John. That's John.
Yeah, she's gone. Honestly, it's a good thing the caution. It's a
Okay,
good thing the
then.
caution came out because they were about to wreck. fucking everything.
I see you, boys.
All right, that was funny.
That was something.
The whole field was about to wreck, so I'm kind of glad that happened. Probably just saved like a 20 truck wreck from happening.
True.
What the fuck happened?
Safety truck coming over, so nah, I'm gonna drive off.
Oh,
Fuck
that's
y'all.
fucked.
Ooh, yeah.
John.
She could probably finish the
If
race out with that,
She
but
can
she'll probably be
finish
off
it,
pace.
but
She's
not
gonna-
gonna be competitive.
Yeah, she'll
They-
be like
No,
Morales.
Ryan-
They,
Ryan
they need
takes
to
out the whole
beat that
field
end out
because
before
they
the
were
tire gets shredded, though.
Yeah, they're gonna beat the shit out of that shit. Shit.
Yeah, they're gonna beat the hell out of Hailie.
Yep, Ray raced that car.
Holy shit.
She just visited her.
Holy fucking hell.
If I could fucking see.
Okay.
She
She got
just
turned
spun
by
up.
somebody.
I think she got. Yeah,
I think
she checked up.
I think she checked
Yep,
up.
Chuck
and then
tires.
someone-
That's payback for last year.
And bonk. Yeah, that's.
Is there? There has to be a back camera.
Uh,
Go on the onboard
back
because
no,
Yep,
because
we-
that would
we
make
have
too much
every-
sense.
We have every available camera to see Hailie Deegan wreck, but when it's anybody else, those cameras disappear.
Yeah. That's like, it's the Epstein cameras.
True!
Here we go.
Here we go.
she's checking up.
Oh, she thinks it was a wreck. Yeah.
She checked up and she lost it. No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't see a collision.
Yeah, she probably lost it. I mean, the speedy dry doesn't help.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it's
she probably-
exiting the corner too.
Doesn't
Yeah,
help.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, she let off like right when the truck unloads.
Oh!
Oh my
no!
goodness, what is happening?
Jesus fuck.
Here comes the other GMS car.
What the fuck?
Peters!
What the fuck?
He's gonna explode.
Oh my god, here comes Crafton.
Oh, the 18, the
They're
18.
spinning.
Oh, he's blowing
Chandler.
Chandler.
Yeah.
There
And
shouldn't be a
that's not gonna be a
caution
caution,
yet.
is it?
Shouldn't be a caution
Still
yet.
Nope, he kept it. We're
Still
good.
green, apparently.
Still
Still
green.
Hey,
Please.
go back to race.
Okay, go back to the
No,
race.
he's
Go back
gone.
to...
He's
Oh,
gone.
they're
Oh,
wrecking
there
it.
they go.
No!
There it is.
Aw, Peters.
Oh,
God
no.
damn it.
Oh, no. Fuck me, man.
Oh, does that?
What?
Okay.
Is that John Hunter?
Okay, alright.
Me, big spin, boys.
He's a lawnmower.
Somebody's unconscious.
No.
God damn it, dude. Fucking Ankrum every year.
I thought he was gonna do like a
All two
wall-
of them.
I thought he was gonna do like a Wally Dolan back and just lose all his steering and just plow into the inside wall.
Yeah.
Why couldn't it?
Oh.
Absolute excitement.
I'm gonna
Let's
do.
go. Fuck soccer.
Is he okay?
He might be.
He's dead. Yeah.
Nope, dead.
Yeah.
And then there's Ankrum. He's dead.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's alright.
No,
Okay.
he's dead.
Nope,
That-
dead.
Nope.
that's
Broke
just
Kahan's
convulsions.
device. He can't move his legs.
He's upside down
that's
in the
rattled.
seat. His legs are hanging out the window.
Yep.
Aw.
He's actually gonna start standing up and then he just passes out and fucking dies.
Hey, Brian
One of
Silas
Austin
is
Hill's
it.
trucks
You
fucking
know,
had
I
a
think
fucking
Ankrum's
turbo.
done for today.
What?
That sucks for Lassard. He was having a really
That,
good
that
race.
wasn't going to be a caution for the 18. He got saved by
Oh,
that.
did
Jesus,
Chandler?
that
He's
18.
still.
Oh my
that's-
goodness.
That is a tire rub.
Yeah, that probably cut his.
Wow,
rear
that
down.
18 is fucking.
He might have had a tire going down.
He is. Oh my
That
god.
thing was loose as shit. What the fuck was this? Oh, did Peters clear himself?
Peters came
Oh,
down on.
yeah.
He just cleared himself.
Yeah.
David
Yeah.
Gilliland got the lead
Yeah.
while we were. Huh.
Wait, the dollar? There's no
He
way.
Then he
saved
came.
it? He
Oh, he
saved
came
it.
across the track.
Unbelievable save.
Wow.
All
that was
right, Drew Dollar.
ridiculous.
Jesus Christ.
And.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh
sorry.
no.
Okay. Oh, nope, never mind.
Oh, Ankrum. Oh.
Oh,
Ooh, Ankrum got fucked.
Oh, hosts
man,
of our
Peters
just.
was doing so fucking
car.
good. That really sucks. It would have been sick if that.
Truex.
Oh, here's
It
Dozer.
would have been.
And then the 28 just spun out because he wanted to.
Man, it would have been so cool if that new team had won their first race, but no.
Yeah.
Is he full time this season?
Yeah, Peter.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, he's running every race in that truck.
Yeah, that
Oh,
Rackley
ignore
team.
me,
is-
I
hold
am
on.
brain dead.
Dollar. Okay.
That was a really
Oh.
that was a really good save by
Lassard
Dollar.
might be. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
God damn it.
Oh.
I was gonna say Lassard might be fine. Then he got fucking. Jesus Christ.
That's still right.
Sauter? Buddy?
I thought Ankrum was gonna hit that
Yeah.
wall jut out
Yeah.
there. That could have gotten ugly.
I like
Oh,
the
yeah.
touchy.
He must have really felt that hit, because he.
Yeah, he was slow
Yeah.
getting out of the.
Ben Rhodes is gonna turn right on
Alright,
David
green
Gilliland.
flag.
Like everybody else.
Oh,
Oh, stacked him
Roper
up.
didn't go.
Gilliland timed it.
Outside line.
Oh, David Gilliland
I
did
love how you can see which trucks are funded.
not.
To the inside,
Yo,
Roper.
Roper,
Come
go
on.
down.
Nope. Nope, Roper didn't go down. Nope, dead. Jesus, Dollar's pushing the
Yeah,
fuck
I
out
don't
of
think-
Crafton right now.
Oh!
Right
the
back
dollar.
there.
Alright, this
5
is
plus
gonna be
1
a
the
very
dollar.
whelming finish, isn't it?
I don't see how.
Come on, Roper.
Oh.
Oh,
Come on,
Roper.
Corey!
Go, Roper.
Oh,
Go, go, go.
the other line.
Oh yeah, the O2's about to get penalized.
No,
Top
he
bar.
let off.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Oh, Creed.
Holy shit,
Roper.
Creed.
Go.
Boring.
Oh my god.
Oh,
that's
come on,
awesome.
Corey!
Why, Mayor? What the fuck? Fucking.
Don't let Ben
Anderson.
Rhodes win.
No,
Oh,
Anderson.
Jordan.
Oh,
The outside's dead.
Aw.
Creed's
outside's
there.
still going.
No.
Oh,
Let's
shit.
Go! Come on,
Go, go,
Corey!
go, go, go.
Corey Roper.
Oh, he put him in the
Oh,
wall.
we're good.
Go, go, go.
Yes, go! He got a tire. Did he?
He's
We're-
in
I
the
think
wall.
he's fine. I think he's fine. I think
See,
he's fine.
no, no, I'm talking about Sean Creed. Creed's gonna
Yeah.
Come on, Roper.
No, don't turn it.
No, 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 no.
No,
Here
come
we go.
on.
Come on, come on, come on,
Piece
come on,
of
come on.
shit.
Oh, they're
Rhodes
gonna
is
wreck.
dump his shit. Here
They're
we go.
wrecking.
Oh, they're wrecking.
Yeah, there they go.
Good.
Another one. Oh wait, that's South.
Go to the right.
Oh, he has
No, no,
a big
no, no,
lead.
no. Oh, he's too far out.
What is Crafton doing?
Oh. Come on, Roper.
They're wrecking again.
Puck. Come on, no, 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 no. No, not again. No, not
Damn it.
again.
Ah.
God damn it.
No, Jordan!
No, no. Again. Are you kidding me?
He just let him by.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Damn it.
man.
Oh, that thing is
Oh, Roper was
destroyed.
that
Holy shit.
close.
Oh,
Oh,
Again? You gotta be fucking joking.
of course he
God.
fucking broke.
Anderson
God damn
finished
it,
second
man.
to a Thor Sport truck at Daytona again.
For fuck's sake.
Holy shit! What a race.
Man,
Oh,
Never mind.
man.
that
how
kind
much I
of
hate
sucks,
Thor
but I will
Sport.
say, if it's
Oh,
any
that
Thor
thing-
Sport driver, at least it's not Johnny Sauter.
Roper's gonna learn from that. He's gonna learn from that.
God, he just
That-
gave it
that's-
away.
That's Whatever.
I feel like he didn't want to
Oh,
cause
well.
too
Oh,
much.
I feel like
he-
she didn't want to tear
Yeah.
up the truck.
if you're gonna get a top 5, you might as well.
Yeah.
Roper had that
Yeah.
one, man.
Oh,
If Roper
Anderson!
going for-
Anderson, 2 top 2s in
Right,
a row!
two top 2s.
Let's go!
Ryan Truex got to. Holy shit!
Roarbaugh again.
Ryan Truex was in like
$2.
11.
Chris
Chandler,
Ryder, 11.
Chandler scavenged
What a
freaking
fucking
night.
base top 5 if you don't include Ben Rhodes.